What's up guys, Dylan Fulmer here, and today I'm answering one of the biggest questions in beginner photography. What is shutter speed?
Are you serious? He gets to go first again?
Whether you're shooting on a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or even a smartphone, understanding shutter speed will completely change your photos. Let's take a look. What actually is shutter speed? It's how long the camera shutter stays open to let light in to hit the sensor. Super fast, it freezes motion. Slow, it creates motion blur. That simple. Imagine you're blinking. If you blink really fast, you capture just a moment. But if you blink slowly, you can capture a lot of movement or light. Cameras work the same way. Let's see the difference. Take a look at this first photo. There's no motion blur. It's very crisp. The moment is captured perfectly. Now take a look at this other shot. It's a very slow shutter speed, and there's a lot of motion blur. Again, if that's the intended effect, it looks really cool. But just like everything else, you have to learn the rules first before you can break them effectively. It's the same thing with shutter speed. Fast shutter speeds, like 1/500th or 1/1000th, are perfect for action shots, sports, and wildlife. Slow shutter speeds, like 1/30th, 1 second, or even longer, are perfect for creative effects. Silky waterfalls, night skies, and motion blur. How do you focus on shutter speed? Set your camera to shutter priority mode. On a Nikon and a Sony, that's S, and on a Canon, that's TV mode. From there, you can simply spin the dial to set your desired shutter speed. Pro tip for you, the slower your shutter speed, the harder it'll be to keep your image clean and crisp, so brace yourself or use a tripod. There is a trade-off. The faster your shutter speed, the less light is let in. This is why you'll often pair faster shutter speeds with wider apertures or higher ISOs. That's shutter speed, one of the simplest and most effective tools in photography. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and comment what kind of camera you use. Now get out there and start taking photos.